You've been very kind because you knew exactly that if I speak on my own,
I couldn't take the chance.
you didn't want to do that because that time when I spoke, and Shanta has never forgiven me.
The thing is that now your wife has advised me how to tackle you.
Right the snow for it.
He's a good learner.
No, honestly, I was told that if this evening you are asked to say a few words about your daughter, we know what you are capable of. So please, for God's sake, tonight for one night, behave like Manmohan Singh.
Uncle, hold on.
I won't say a word.
Last night you promised you'll be in a tie today, but you're not in a tie. So you're going to loosen up. You're going to loosen up today.
Anyway, let me say, Shivani, actually, to be very honest, when I read this one, I wasn't too sure that you really meant everything, but anyway. I really did.
You are being kind to Dad because he is mom.
Yes, Dad.
Jaggi,
Yes.
Jaggi, उसके behalf पे कहने में क्या जाता है?
As you celebrate me crossing another milestone, this time in years and not relationships, I just wanted to thank you for being my father and the best father possible. Thank you. Thank you for giving Sharad and me the best childhood and growing up years, and in turn the best memories.
Samir, where are you?
Yes.
No, the other Samir D'Souza. He's been. Where is he? Sorry.
Auntie, we forgive you.
Actually,
I tell you, I told Sharad in London this time that most of our fights are because when I want to say something, my wife doesn't give me a chance, she speaks in between. So every time I say, she has to comment to pass, and which you're saying today. So he said that I give you a solution. As a good son, I must tell you that I know my mom, I know her very well. She does that. But best thing for you is to tell her, okay, first you speak. Okay, no, you speak first, please, and then
That's why I gave her.
But that was not good enough.
Thank you for always being so interested and involved in everything we did or wanted to do. Whatever it was, academics, sport or friendships, and my early interest in fashion, you were always one step ahead. You have been a role model father, even amongst our friends, maybe not the youngest father in age. But anyway, thanks a lot. You made up with that. You said, but surely the youngest in spirit, enthusiasm, and of course in looks. Thank you for making us travel and for most of our early years see the world through your eyes. They were truly our best holidays. I still remember soon after signing a big deal or getting a big commission, you would be sitting with mom and the travel agent working out our itinerary and visas.
Woozas. Used to be woozas that time. Visit USA.
You didn't say actually, should have been Wuza.
Okay.
We couldn't wait for our summer holidays to begin because it was the start to another wonderful vacation with you and mom, and always so much fun. From the caterpillars and Madhumalai, I think I should tell you about that. I took Shibani, Sharad and Sushma and me, and we went to down south Madhumalai Game Sanctuary. And we went on an elephant, and there were two foreign couples with us. Shibani was that time about 5 years, I think around that number. And the Mahout told us that please do not say a word because the word goes a long way. So don't speak. If you want to say something, just touch and point out to each other. So this was before we started the trip. So Shibani was told, Shibani, please don't speak. Just point out if you want to do that. And then after about half an hour on the elephant, suddenly the Imam says, there's a tiger somewhere nearby, so please keep quiet and don't make noise. And I said, okay, we understand that. And 2 minutes later, Shibani touches me and says, so I thought she saw the tiger again. Again, I said, what is that? And you know what it was? A caterpillar. That's what she's talking about here. Life with you has truly been about creating beautiful memories, and we can't thank you enough for them. Thank you for always celebrating all my birthdays the way you did Dad. Really, you're right. Actually, you made sure, rather than you made sure that we celebrate all your major milestone. You told me that 16. You know how
Legacy you left
important,
behind, officer.
how important 16 is. You know that, Dad. Yes, of course. We made it good. And then 18. I'm finishing 18. Then 21. So we did all that.
I'm
But I
thankful
tell
you know
you,
the 40th
we
is with
did
Sameer.
whatever we did. I tell you, Sameer has done 10 times better. Sameer, it was wonderful 2 or 3 days on Shibani celebration. But I tell you, know that we love our wife less, but surely you love your wife more.
And that concludes the speech which started how many years ago?
Finally.
Thank you for always looking out for me and my lack of business skills, and for always making me feel like my profit and loss statements only showed profits. Actually,
I gotta learn that from you.
Actually, she hasn't told a lie, and it's true. Because I used to give another 5 lakhs in her account to show that she is making money. And I'm glad Sameer has taken over this. And last but not the least, thank you, Dad, for just loving me and always being there. I know it has not always been easy. Of course, you're right. It has not been always been easy, and often you have to question your own beliefs and mindsets just keeping up with me. Shibani, how true you honestly can be. I couldn't put it better than what you said. I love you a little more than Mom loves Shiv, if possible.